Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I am very excited because I have the Thanksgiving Holiday Haul box here. This is a full spoiler of the items within this box. I'm sad to say though, this box is sold out. It went so much faster than all of us anticipated. So what we're gonna do here is, I still wanna show it to you. I have it, it's gorgeous, we need to see it. But what you can do is go down below and grab my URL and order the Halloween box. I'll show you a couple of spoilers from that. Or pre-order the Christmas box, and I'll dive into the Christmas, Hanukkah options there as well in just a bit. So let me show you this. Then we can dive into what is available in the Halloween and winter side of things. If you're new here, Holiday Haul is a holiday home decor box that pops up 7 times a year. So it's not monthly, it's not quarterly. It sends with 7 seasons. So those seasons are Valentine's, St. Patrick's, Easter or Passover, 4th of July, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas or Hanukkah. So they do have some alternate on the Easter and Christmas type boxes to the Hanukkah and the Passover boxes. It's $79.99 a box, and you can choose to build per holiday or annually. You get free shipping in the USA and military. Shipping to Canada is based on your location. So they have a pretty big shipping offering, which I super appreciate. Right now, the only coupon code I have is annual10, get you 10% off, and the ability to customize select item in select boxes when you sign up for a year. So if you want to go season to season, that's totally fine. I don't have a coupon code for that, but annual 10 lets you purchase the whole year, all 7 boxes, and you get the 10% off, the ability to customize, and your box ships first. That's the other offering that they give. This is Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving will ship at the end of October, so you have it in plenty of time to celebrate Thanksgiving. And then I don't know when Halloween ships or when the Christmas Hanukkah box ships, but they do always ship it plenty early that you have it and can decorate with it and enjoy it, those are the 2 box options when you go down below to the URL that you can snag. You're going to want to move super, super fast on the Halloween box. It's just not going to last. Like this one didn't even make it to this day. The same thing's going to happen with that Halloween box. And then Christmas, you have a little more leniency on. I wouldn't hesitate. This box is growing so fast right now, and every time I release one of these videos, a new rush of people move that way. So if you think you want it, go pre-order it now. It really is such a cute box, and you just get holiday decor, so it plays really well with your traditional home decor boxes. Items inside their box are pillows, buntings, signs, garlands, tableware. It is all holiday based. It is never seasonal based. And as you can see in this stinking adorable box, if you've seen any of the past unboxings, I'll link the Encore box, which was an exclusive pop-up box. All of their boxes are so cute. So look at the outside of this guy right here. It has all the things that make us think of Thanksgiving all over the box. It's super cute. Oh, I've seen no spoilers, by the way. So this is a full spoiler, and I've seen no spoilers, so I'm super excited. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's always very chic and pretty. Makes me feel bad to rip it. So this is what I can see on top already. So cute. I've even got my pumpkin forever and ever and ever t-shirt on. I felt like he was super appropriate. Okay, let's grab this guy right here on top. Oh. It's a bundle of things. Okay. Shake the crinkle. Excuse me, a little crinkle. All right. So we have this super cute wood pumpkin with a hanging thankful sign. This is so, so cute. It is, can you see, like this is a 3D element on the front, then there's this pumpkin, then there's this pumpkin. This is what the back looks like. This would be super cute on a tiered tray, but also if you have like cutting boards stacked on your kitchen, this sitting in front of those cutting boards would be really cute. It'd be cute on a shelf. It'd be cute on a mantle. This is an extremely universal piece. And to give you an idea, It is 6 inches tall. So it definitely could go on a tiered tray if you have one in your kitchen like I do. And then we have, let's see if I can just slide this out like this. This cute little spoon. And look, it has a pumpkin on the inside right here. It is just a wood spoon. It does have a hole right there, which I think is super great because once again, if you have like a hanging display of cutting boards, you could hook this and hang it right there and it would be such a cute added element. So practical and decorative use, I vote yes for that. And then look at this towel. A fun little orange and white checkered dish towel. This guy is really big. Like this is not a tiny towel. This is a big towel. Look at this. And it does have this guy. I always call it a hook, but it's not. Whatever this thing is, so that you can hang it. So once again, if you had a hanging display in the kitchen, this guy could hang with your things and it's practical use. You can wipe your hands, you can cook, but then hang it back up and it looks like decor. It's so chic. I was talking to the girls over at Holiday Haul, which they're fabulous, by the way. I had them email over to me the booklet that normally comes in here because they have to ship my box so early. A lot of the times, those booklets aren't quite done being printed yet. So she emailed it to me, and she did say that there are actually 4 tea towels in wood spoon sets. So like this set right here, there are 4 options of these you can choose from. So I'm only showing one of the 4 options. And those of you who have the annual membership, when you get the customization email, you get to choose which towel you want to go in your box, which I think is really, really cute. I love this towel. Actually, I'm looking at them here. I'm gonna see if I can steal this photo and plug it in here. I love all of the prints, but I totally can see how one print may match your home better than another, so you have a preference towards that. For me, I think this is so cute together. I'm winning at life. Okay, let's see what's inside here. I think what I love the most about this box is the quality of the items are great. They're holiday specific. Let's just be real. I have like 30 Christmas t-shirts, like 10 Thanksgiving shirts. I love holiday specific things. So I don't have to get rid of my other normal quarterly home decor subscription boxes. I keep those in place and I add this one in on top of those, and it makes for a beautiful mix. Especially now with a lot of the quarterly home boxes sending more neutral universal items, I'm finding this year of all years past that Holiday Haul and like Just Greenery and those boxes that are kind of outside of the realm of the normal home decor are shining bright because they're getting so much good use. This is stinking adorable, you guys. It is a pumpkin plate, but not like this super traditional, like you would assume it would be this shape. No. I love that. That is gorgeous. And once again, very complimentary to the items we already have. Like not competing, the colors look great together. I'm definitely getting a good kitchen vibes, tiered tray vibe. Like this is in the kitchen, this is on the tiered tray, and this is on the front of the tiered tray filled with like the autumn mix candy corns. I'm so ready for fall. I'm so ready for Thanksgiving. I have all the feels. I'm telling you, every year I say, my daughter's birthday is early September. And so I don't want to decorate the whole house for fall because I put out a lot of fall. A lot of fall. And I feel like it overshadows her birthday. So I try to have her full birthday party. We decorate for her birthday party. When I take everything down from her birthday is when fall literally explodes into my home. And if it's not a fall candle, a fall body spray, a fall lotion, a fall pillow, a fall snack, it's not allowed in my house during September, October, or November. I wish I was kidding, but it's pretty much that bad. So getting all this stuff now, I'm like, be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It is a pendant bunting. What do we want to call these? A pendant hanging sign. It says Thanksgiving. So this is our second type, this style of hanging bunting sign that we've received. I'm here for this. I'm so happy this is a thing this season. Like the other one we received, this one does move up and down, so you can kind of position it on the string as you would like. I personally am super digging the colors. Once again, I've been talking about how our home decor boxes have a lot of neutral items right now. This is anything but neutral. Every letter is a different color, and I am here for it. It looks so pretty. This Thanksgiving banner is made from linen and felt. So let me see. I'm going to hold it up one more time. You can see the linen back and the felt letters. This is what the back looks like on that same guide, just in case you were curious. Very well made. The quality on this is fabulous. Really, really well done. Okay, I see greenery, and I love greenery. Oh, goodness. Let me shake this out above the trash can. Okay, so much better. Whoop, whoop. Right when I think it's done, more keeps popping out. But you know what? Crinkle is doing its job. Everything's coming out of this box looking so good. And actually, with these fall colors, I can't even tell what's crinkling, what's not. This has not been fluffed. So this is straight out of the box. They call these, I think, candle rings. It's just a floral ring. Let me fluff it up a bit. I love the colors in it so much. I love that they added these little cotton balls to it. That is so cute. Yeah, this is so good. So once again, would be really cute on a tiered tray for sure, for sure. The branches do move and rearrange really well. I do appreciate that. So here it is, slightly more fluff than when I opened it. See how big it is now? It has some heart to it. So this is the Cotton and Leaves Candle Ring, a 16-inch candle ring with detailed leaves, berries, cotton buds, and more. Style around a candle, sign, pumpkins, or add texture. So like, once again, if you have a cutting board wall, this would be so cute adhered to one of those cutting boards hanging by the towel and the spoon. Very cute. If you do have a tier tray, which is I think what I'm kind of eyeing for this for, this would be so cute with a tiered tray setup of some sort. Can I squeeze my little pumpkin in there? Yeah, I mean, I don't know if he's meant to go in there, but he does fit in the center. Okay, very cohesive color patterns, but they're not matching. Like, not everything's the same, and I love that. Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh, God. Oh, you guys, I love him. He is a turkey. But he is a double-sided turkey. Like, so here he is here. There's the front of him. The other side. So if you put him out, he is gorgeous on both sides. You don't have to worry about putting him against the wall. He just has a basic flat bottom. He is so cute. The embossed turkey is a dual-sided distressed tom turkey that will stand proudly over your holiday table. He is so cute. He would look so cute on a dining table with candles around him. He'd look cute on a tiered tray. He would look cute just sitting on the counter in the kitchen, or sitting on the counter in the bathroom, or on a mantle display. I normally would not be into something like this, but once again, I feel like we've received so much neutral home decor. I feel like I'm itching for like true holiday and true colors, and this is totally bringing it. Okay, I think that's my final item in here. Yes, it is. Another thing that I really love that Holiday Haul does, and that a few of our boxes do, is they have an amazing give back program. So not only are they making sure we're taken care of in these beautiful curations being sent to our door, they're taking a portion of the money we spend towards these boxes and helping others. And the nonprofit they work with is Tunnel to Towers, and that's the name of the foundation that they are supporting while we're shopping, supporting their small business. It makes my heart so happy to know that one single purchase for something that I love can go so far. Also, they have a brand new box they're launching. So I'm going to share a couple of spoilers as well, a couple photos that are spoilers. The Holiday Howl Box. Celebrate the holidays with your pup. Isn't that so stinking cute? So the Holiday Howl Box is going to have items for your dog that are holiday themed and ship out for each holiday. So I have to know what you guys think on that. If you want to check out that box, I do have the URL down below in the description, so you can slide over and see if you need to spoil your pup a little bit more than he probably already is spoiled. And then for those of you who want to see spoilers for the Halloween box, I do have a couple of photos I'll pop up here. Not a full unboxing, but if you're like, hey, yeah, I'd like to see a couple of things. Here are a couple of items that are in the Halloween Holiday Haul 2022 box. Should that one pique your fancy? I'm going to tell you, this is one of those boxes that just subscribe annually. Just do it. You're going to save the 10%. You get to customize. Your box ships first, which means you're going to have it plenty early to decorate alongside all your other home decor boxes, and you're going to be guaranteed to have holiday decor fun. And I love that they are very aware that certain holidays are for everyone and have alternate holidays, which is fabulous. You guys, we're wrapping up fall to some degree. Not all the way. We still have some coming, but we're definitely wrapping it up. And I have the Decorate With Me portions coming out next. So all of these different boxes you've been seeing, I get to play with them now, which is actually a really exciting part. I just don't want the unboxings to stop. I have so much fun hanging out with you guys and opening these, playing with these things, seeing what these things are like. Are they a match? Are they not a match? What box does it play well with? It just brings so much joy to my life to do that. And so we'll roll into decorating. I have early September mantle decorating with me for fall. I have in general decorate with me for fall, and then we're rolling into decorate with me for Halloween. Isn't that so crazy? I'm excited. And I do have a couple of Halloween unboxings coming your way. So we've already unboxed Deco Crated Halloween. I don't know what the inventory is there, but that one is going quick. And then I have a couple more for you guys. So we'll have some spooky stuff coming your way. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. These boxes do have limited inventory, so when they pop up, you need to move fast. So you need to be able to see the video fast so that you can move fast. If you want to join us over on our private Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group, you can go down below. I do have the URL to that group in the description. It's where we chat about all things. What boxes are we loving right now? What boxes are we not loving right now? Which boxes are really going above and beyond? And which boxes need a little bit of work on things? And it really helps you guys know which boxes are a best match for you. Not every box is for everyone, but there is a box for everyone, or 2 boxes or 3 boxes, or like some of us, 4 boxes. I hope that you are having a fabulous early fall. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all.